I'm back. I have a scarf from Louis Vuitton. LABUBU, LABUBU, LABUBU. It's on trend. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nancy. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. Today we are unboxing the Louis Vuitton murakami bag. To be honest, a few confessions. This is my confession. I initially ordered this to create content because now I start to unbox. I was actually influenced in buying this again. I used to have one during my college days, which I bought from a second-hand shop during my college days, but while I was relocating from Nigeria to Dubai, I gave it out to a friend because when you're relocating, you want to give things out instead of throwing away. It's quite different from this one. But yeah, I was influenced in buying this because everyone was unboxing this new Louis Vuitton murakami Takashi collection. And first I tried ordering it from the Louis Vuitton. When I went to the website to try to order mine, it was saying coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. And when it finally dropped, I could not have a chance to purchase one. And also on a second thought, I thought of it, why should I spend $3,000 on a nano speedy bag, which I'm not sure I would use for a long time? What I did, I reached out to my contacts in Japan, and luckily they were able to find me this. Yeah, the hype for unboxing is done in social media, but I have it. It's here. Let's take a look at it. My nano murakami Louis Vuitton speedy. So I unboxed it. Truth be told, when it came yesterday, I already opened it, and anyways, let's unbox it together to find out which of these I got. Which of the murakami? So this is, yeah, I'm in my nano era, but I don't know if, let's see. And it came with this strap to attach at the two sides. What do you ladies think about this color I chose? Stunning. When my contact in Japan sent me this, I was like, oh, this is a chance to add this to my collection, and if in case I get tired of it, I can always resell. Yeah. This is a rare iconic piece in my collection. This is the newest. Initially, I was telling myself this is a no-buy year, but I started the year with buying this. So this is my first purchase of the year, so I don't know. Yeah, a true collector piece. Stunning. I don't know. I think maybe if I go for a small size or a medium, I would not consider selling it. But then again, it has the made in France here, and also in it made in Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, nicely coated inside. And let's see what fits in. And it has sisters in my collection now. It has its little sisters in my collection now. So, and also I have a scarf from Louis Vuitton. I've never unboxed it in this channel. As you know, I never used to do unboxing, luxury unboxing in this channel or showing my collection. But since we are doing haul of murakami, I think I didn't try this. I think we should style this. No, it looks ugly. Or I will just play around with it later on, no problem. So this is it. Nothing special. Nothing special. And I'm not one of those that love to put so many charms on my bag, but I got this Labubu to make video with it. The monster. This is Pop Mouth. This is a monster Labubu. She's cute, right? I love the color. But then after opening it, my kids, they like it, so I just left it for them to play with for a while. When they were asleep, I took it to unbox first, then I'll give it back to them to play with it, because I don't feel the hype. I don't know what it is about Labubu in the internet, but she's nice, but I don't think it's me. I'll try to carry it 1 or 2 times outside, and yeah. And I see some people wear her clothes, roses, headband, dresser girly. I like it when I wash them, but it's not really my thing. I think my style have passed this. If I was still a teenager there or in my 20s, maybe I would be into this, but a old girl like me, like I'm too old. Anyways, but yeah, let's see if the Labubu will look great in the Nano Speedy bag. Oh my god, it's too big. But it looks nice. Oh, nice. I think if I'm going to use this Labubu, I would use it in a bigger bag, a bit bigger, so it will not cover the nano bag. But here again, it's nice. You could use it for crossbody and just top handle. I'm not. Oh, nice, it's center. Okay, so I could hold it in the wrist as well, and my wrist that small. Yeah, that's it. This is my murakami. Nothing special. The next thing is me deciding whether to keep it or sell it or use it. I don't know. I'm happy I did not spend that much or wasted my time in the website. Here is it. How would you carry your Nano Speedy? Would you like it with the Labubu or without? Let me know in the comment section. And that's it. I will see you on the next one. Let's do a thumbnail.